Welcome students. In the last lecture we have seen the structures of igneous rock. Now today we have discussed about the structures of igneous rock. In the structures of igneous rock we are today discussed on the three structures. That is, the first one is the vesicular structure, second one is the amagdalidal structure, and third one is the flow structure. What is mean by structure? Structure is the overall solidification of magmatic material in the form of lava. That overall solidification of magmatic material, that is the solid rock, is nothing but structures of igneous rock. Now in these structures today we have discussed on the first structure, that is the vesicular structure. Vesicular structure. This structure is formed from the lava. In the lava, during solidification of lava, the lava contains, our magmatic material contains lot of volatiles and gases. That gases and volatiles are escape when they are come in the atmosphere. That volatile material is escape. Look at this. This is the volcanic material, that is the lava. From this lava, upper part of this lava portion, that is the numerous amount of volatiles and gases. That gases are escaped in the atmosphere, means they are tried to on in the atmosphere, release in the atmosphere. म्हणजेच काय, जे गॅसेस आहेत ते गॅसेस बाहेर येण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात. That volatiles and gases are tried to come out in the atmosphere. These gases came out at that time. During cooling, solidification is occur. During cooling, solidification is occur. That time such gaps or such vesicles or such crevices are formed in the upper portion of the lava flow. That vesicles or that gaps are called as vesicles, and total structure is called as a vesicular structure. Look like this is the one specimen. It may be basalt. In this is the rock mass or other portion in which these gases are produced. These gases are called as vesicles, and total structure, total mass of the rock is called as a vesicular structure. Now second one is the amagdalidal structure. Amagdalidal structure. This structure is also formed at the time of consolidation of the lava. In this structure, that vesicles which are formed in the first stage, that vesicles are filled by secondary minerals. That vesicles are filled by secondary mineral. Means look at this. This is a specimen, maybe basalt. These vesicles means vesicle. Numerous amount of gases are in the rocks. That vesicles are filled by secondary minerals. Means this is the secondary mineral. This structure or this is called as a amagdal, and total structure is called as a amagdalidal structure. How can secondary minerals are filled in these gases or vesicles? Because of the percolation of water within the rock mass. At that time, that water contains numerous amount of elements. That elements are stopped in these vesicles after precipitation of that water, some amount of powdered form of that elements or remains which are also consolidated, which are also cemented and form the amygdals, and that secondary minerals along with vesicles is called as a amygdalidal structure. Now this vesicles contains secondary minerals which are the calcite, quartz, zeolite are the secondary minerals which are filled in the vesicles. This is called as a amygdalidal structure. Now third structure is the flow structure. Flow structure, one of the simple structure which are occur in the volcanic rock, mostly occur in the extrusive rock. When magmatic material comes, look at this, this is the earth surface. Here magma chamber, from this magma chamber magmatic material comes, and this magmatic material spread over the earth surface in the form of wings. Look at this wings, that is the wing shaped spreading is occur. This is the one flow. Another one, when magmatic material come, another flow spread, then another flow spread, then another flow spread. Such a type of flow is occur in one location. This is called as a flows of lava. This structure is a megascopic structure which are seen by miles of away, and previous structures is also mega structure which are also seen from the some distance, but this structure is a very mega structure which are seen by miles of away. That structure is called as a lava flow or flow structure. Flow structure is a flow of lavas, different flows of lavas. That is, these flows are identified depend upon the material which are erupted from the vent, depend upon the size of sediments, depend upon the shape of the material. In this way we can clearly identify these are the flow structure. Now today's lecture, this is sufficient.